Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we are gonna go outside and do some farm chores. Kids just woke up from their nap, so we are gonna go outside. I have some wood that needs to be stacked. Gotta work on the cow shelter. I'm sure once we get out there, I'll find other things that need to be done. All right, we need to go check for some eggs. Olive egg. Another thing that's on the list is taking the trash out, so we're gonna walk that down here. All right, next thing, we need to bring the cows some hay, so we're gonna get that in the garage. Watch out. All right, we're gonna leave that there for Dad. Hi. Yeah, but all right, so I am out with the cows right now. Justin wants me to go look at something on the shelter that he's building. I think pull something off. This is our girl, Virgie. Time to feed the cows for the night. How we let them know that it's their time is we literally take their chain and usually they'll come running. Come in. Pay for some food. Yeah, my girl, pretty good. You should like your food. Come on. So here soon we're gonna stop feeding them grain. Right now though, the calves need grain for 90 days so that I think it's called their rumen, so that can develop. So I just kind of eyeball it. We feed them twice a day. Fill up this bucket with some grain, bring it on out, and they eat it, obviously, and they're on hay as well. All right, so next up is stacking all of our firewood for this winter. We were fortunate enough to be able to trade for plowing for all of this wood, but it's a ton, and we're gonna store it in the goat house for now. But I don't think we can stack all of this today. Well, we're gonna do our best. I feel like I am playing a cruel version of 52 pickup. Obviously I still have quite a bit to go, but that is going to wait until tomorrow. The kids went inside and I don't know that I trust them inside by themselves for too long, so I'm probably gonna wrap it up out here and head in for the night. So anyway, thank you guys for watching. Make sure to hit subscribe. I will try to post some more chores. I have quite a bit to do this week, so I will upload those when I get a chance. I've been trying to post at least once a week, so bear with me. I'm still trying to find my bearings on YouTube, but if farm life or homesteading or anything like that is up your alley, make sure to hit subscribe. That is mainly what I will be posting about. All right, thanks guys.